Can sound make objects float? Discover the incredible power of sound waves. Have you ever wondered if sound something we usually just hear could actually move or even float objects? It sounds like science fiction, right? But in today's experiment, we'll explore how sound waves can do exactly that. Welcome back to the channel, Curious Minds. Today, we re-dive into one of the most fascinating and unusual physics experiments, acoustic levitation. In simple terms, using sound to make things float. No magnets, no fans, no strings, just pure sound energy. If you're into hands-on science, learning, simple physics, experiments, or just want to impress your classmates or teachers, you're going to love this one. Let's jump into the setup. Here's what you'll need: a tone generator or frequency app on your phone, a small speaker or ultrasonic transducer, a lightweight object to levitate, a power source or battery for the speaker, a funnel or reflector. We're going to be working with the science of resonance, vibration, and standing waves. Step 1. Connect your speaker or ultrasonic transducer to the tone generator. If you're using a mobile app, connect the speaker through an amplifier or use a plug-in system. Place your lightweight object on a small platform directly in front of the speaker. Now start increasing the frequency, slowly, watching carefully. If you hit just the right frequency, you'll begin to see something wild. The object starts bouncing, shaking, or even hovering slightly off the surface. Why is that happening? Let's explain. Sound is not just something we hear, it's a form of energy. When sound travels, it creates vibrations in the air, tiny waves of pressure moving back and forth. If these waves are focused or aligned in the right way, they can form what's known as standing waves. These are waves that stay in one place, creating areas of high and low pressure. When a small object enters a point of low pressure between two waves, it can actually get trapped. They're balancing between the push and pull of the sound. That's how the object floats. It's caught in a kind of invisible hammock made of sound. This is similar to how musical instruments create sound by vibrating air, but in this case, we're using that same energy to physically move matter. It's mind-blowing to think that something as gentle as sound can lift objects. Let's try taking it further. Place a small water droplet on the same surface. Repeat the process. Watch as the droplet starts to vibrate, and sometimes hover or even spin in midair. Now, be aware, this isn't easy to get perfect the first time. It takes patience to find the correct frequency, distance, and alignment. But once you do, it's worth the wait. This experiment teaches us some super important concepts in physics. How sound is a mechanical wave, not just something we hear, the idea of resonance when an object vibrates at just the right frequency, the concept of standing waves and nodes, fixed points, in a wave where movement can happen in amazing ways. Did you know scientists are working on using this exact principle to move medicine inside the human body or to manipulate liquids in space without touching them? This is not just a fun demo, it's real future tech. If you want to explore more, here are a few cool variations you can try. Use two speakers facing each other and adjust their phase to create a standing wave between them. Try different shapes and sizes of objects. Explore frequencies on both ends, very high and very low too. See how the sound reacts? Let us know in the comments. What kind of objects did you try levitating? Were you able to make anything float? And here's a mini science challenge for you. Can you figure out the exact frequency your object started to float at? Why do you think that frequency worked? This is the kind of experiment that really shows you how invisible forces are always at work. It's a perfect reminder that science isn't just what we see, it's also what we feel, hear, and sometimes what we don't see at all. If you had fun today, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple physics experiments that make science exciting and hands. Until next time, stay curious, keep asking questions, and remember, sometimes the quietest forces are the most powerful, sound included.